The STEAM room is a place where students are able to further their understanding of technology. They're able to enhance their learning and build on their engagement. At this point, we're focusing on the arts and the science. With the arts, the entry point we're using is with the animation. And with regards to the science, at this point we have students exploring Autobots and Qbots, and they're developing their understanding of coding. So the overall goal for the STEAM room is for all students to further their understanding of the technology, to get familiar with the tools in that space, and then ideally we would like to then have classes coming down to utilize the tools and tie it to the curriculum. We have several years in our thinking where all classes will become experts in the near future.
The STEAM room is a wonderful place and learning environment for students of all kinds to enhance their knowledge on technology and also enhance their creativity that they put into assignments. So in the STEAM room, we've been doing a lot of animations by using different things on the laptops, and we use whiteboards and clay for animations. We can make our own stories or do something educational with them. I definitely enjoy the animations because you have the freedom to be whatever or to do whatever you'd like, and you have freedom to be creative, and there's no rules as to what you have to do.